Where's me gloves, eh? It's that time again when I miss this color so much in my hair. Oh my gosh, this almost dripped. That I want to have my hair again purple. So I'm gonna do it. Cue the time lapse. After I put my gloves on. That wasn't so satisfying. I don't think I'm gonna use a brush. No, I'm not. so it seems that I've put all the dye in it. I hope it's gonna be cute and purple, because I miss so much my purple hair. I want it back. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour over here, and probably 40 minutes. After that I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna, what's the word that I'm looking for? I'm gonna dry it. See you then. Okay.
One eternity later.
So my hair looks now like this. Didn't expect that the color will look as this. My cat wants to be held. Yeah. I mean, I didn't expect it to be like this. I'm gonna have to make another retouch because I didn't use enough dye, but at least it's a little bit of a change because I was bored, very bored, and I didn't want to use again bleach on my head, not for the moment. I'm gonna use it again, but not in probably the next month, or at least couple of weeks, hopefully. What I've did to my hair, it's more like a treatment because he needed the treatment. But I am gonna make another round, and I'm gonna make the dye more concentrated, so the coverage, it will be even better. But I like the fact that the money piece and the hair from the underneath are a different color from this one. And no, I didn't use color on my hair. I used this. And I didn't use all of it. I used like a quarter. Yeah, a quarter. Hey baby, wanna be in the video? Okay, bye. Okay, bye.